We have written our own version of Kit Wright's poem, The Magic Box.
Here is a verse from each of us.
I will put in my box the oldest tooth from a 1,000-year-old shark, 10 magical wishes for school spoken in Gujarati, 1,000,000 scrumptious chocolate chip cookies.
I will put in my box the smoke of a blazing fire, the dust from an ancient book, and the silence of a feather.
I will put in my box the summer breeze from 2018, a deep growl from a green dog, and a sprinkle of shimmering sand.
I will put in my box 5 gold wishes gleaming in the sun, 2 big emeralds, green and red, and the swish of a Chinese dragon's tail. I will put in my box a very cheesy pizza, a baby pig in a mud bath, and a ruler with nothing on it. I will put in my box unicorns with rainbow manes and golden horns, a lightning bolt that hit Talbot Heath, and a huge rainbow with clouds on the bottom of each head.
I will put in my box the tip of an ancient gladiator's sword, and a star from the tallest Christmas tree, and the first snowflake touching the ground.
I will put in the box a tiger's sharp claw, a massive cookies with cookies inside, a humongous dead giant. I will put in my box a 10,000-year-old piece of paper last written on by an emperor of Greece, the constellation of Orion 9,000 years ago, a large sponge full of stinky soap and water.
My box is fashioned from silk from the stars that light up the night sky, and the binding is threaded from the hair of the most elegant mermaid. On the lid is glitter sprinkled by the fairies at midnight. I shall read in my box. I will let my brain run wild. Then anything could happen. Anything, anywhere.